Hi. When we enter the stock market, all that we know is about the prices of the shares. Mostly we know about equity and the risk associated with it. So at an elementary level, we know that equity carries risk where we can earn a considerable return over time. However, as we grow in the market, we also look for other asset classes that would fetch us considerable returns also. This is when the commodities comes in our mind. Now, commodities are basically the physical goods and are traded as well in the stock market. So in this video, we will take you a step ahead and in a concise manner explain the various ways in which we can invest in commodities. You can invest in commodities through your demat account just like you do for the shares. Some of the most popular ways to deal in commodities we will be discussing now. So first is the commodity futures. Investing in commodity futures is a good way of portfolio diversification. There are contracts to buy or sell a particular amount of commodity at a certain future date. So for instance, if you took up a trade of rupees 100 being a commodity buyer and at a certain predetermined date, the value of the contract increases to rupees 150, then the buyer wins and it remains so for vice versa as well. Next is the commodity ETFs or exchange traded funds. Now ETFs are one of the simplest form of investing in commodities. We can buy or sell it like any other stock. As in the case of ETFs, the stocks follow the prices of the underlying assets, that is the commodities. Now the underlying assets can be either a single commodity or a group of commodities. Next and the most popular of all are the mutual funds. Now mutual funds again work similar to ETFs. Investing in mutual funds is a great long-term investment option. In this case, an investor can own the underlying commodity associated with the mutual fund without actually dealing in options or futures. So even though the above ways seems to be quite simple and convenient for you to invest, you must always remember that investing in commodities require a lot of knowledge, experience, a great risk appetite and the ability to accept the situation, whether it's a win-win situation or a complete loss scenario. Thank you for watching the video.
Investment in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Such representations are not indicative of future results.